Right now, let's look at more professional options. One of them is a basic version with 32 bits precision screwdriver bits in one kit, and the other one comes with 51. The basic version of this comes with 32 bits, comes with a extension and your screwdriver handle. All you have to do is to put in the extension in your handle, and it is totally adjustable how long you want it to be, and just simply insert the bits you need. So now I am using, make it more clear for you. So I am using a Phillips head 000. Simply insert it to the front of your screwdriver, and you're good to go. On the more professional option, the 51 kits, you have all different types of screwdriver bit and the tools you need. It also comes with this magnetic pad so that you don't lose your screws. Your screw will just stick onto these pads. There are more details on our website. Welcome to visit www.radioparts.com.au or find us on Facebook or Twitter. Thank you very much for watching.